Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by identifying the Virtualbox version and where your virtual machine's live so you don't lose data. Once done, shut down every VM and stop background services in Task Manager to avoid file locks. Make sure to copy the VBox and VDI files to an external drive as a backup. This preserves disks and machine definitions. Now, disable any snapshots in the GUI so there are no leftover differencing disks. This simplifies later registry and file cleanup. Open Settings Apps and uninstall Oracle VirtualBox. This removes core files and mostly cleans registry entries. Next, open Network Connections and delete VirtualBox host-only network and any virtual adapters to prevent networking conflicts. Then, open Device Manager, show hidden devices, and uninstall any VirtualBox drivers. Reboot if prompted to clear locked drivers. After reboot, manually delete /program files /or. To finish, open Regedit and carefully remove Oracle and VirtualBox keys under HKLM and HKCU. Export keys first as a backup in case you need to restore. Once done, restart the PC and confirm there are no virtual network interfaces left and that Device Manager shows no VirtualBox drivers. If uninstall fails due to stubborn drivers, reinstall the same VirtualBox version, reboot, and run the uninstaller again. This often repairs broken uninstallers and releases locked resources.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.